Sometimes it's just not about fixing what's broken, it's about showing someone they matter. At Rebuilding Together Sandoval County, we partner with volunteers to make critical home repairs for low-income homeowners. On this day, with the help of an amazing team from Sandia Area Federal Credit Union, we painted a home that had long been overlooked. The homeowner was overwhelmed. He felt seen and cared for as the community rallied around him. A fresh coat of paint can truly have a remarkable impact. Repairing homes, rebuilding lives, revitalizing communities. That's Rebuilding Together, Sandoval County.